The skies are about to change forever. Welcome back to the next-gen world. Today, we dive into one of the most advanced aerospace developments in history, the all-new Super State Route 72, also known as the son of Blackbird. This next-gen hypersonic aircraft is more than just a successor to the legendary State Route 71. It's a leap into the future of aerial dominance. Let's take a moment to remember the State Route 71 Blackbird. Built during the Cold War, it flew faster than any other air-breathing manned aircraft, hitting speeds over Mach 3 at altitudes above 85,000 feet. But even this icon had its limits. Enter the State Route 72, Lockheed Martin's answer to the next era of warfare, surveillance, and speed. So what makes the State Route 72 so special? One word: hypersonic. Unlike its predecessor, the State Route 72 is designed to fly at Mach 6. That's over 4,600 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, it could fly from New York to London in under an hour. Imagine the strategic advantage of such speed in surveillance, reconnaissance, and even strike capability. This aircraft doesn't just evade enemy radar and missiles, it outruns them. The State Route 72 is being developed under Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division, the same team that brought us the U-2, F-117 Nighthawk, and of course, the State Route 71. These are the minds behind aviation legends, and the State Route 72 is poised to become their crown jewel. While much of the project remains classified, here's what we know. The aircraft will feature a revolutionary dual-mode propulsion system. That means it uses a jet engine at subsonic speeds and then switches to a scramjet to hit hypersonic velocities. Now let's talk about scramjets, supersonic combustion ramjets. These engines have no moving parts. Instead, they compress incoming air at supersonic speed before igniting it with fuel. The result? Insane thrust, minimal weight, and a blistering top speed. But here's the catch. Scramjets only work when the aircraft is already moving incredibly fast. So, the State Route 72 is expected to use a turbine-based combined cycle engine that transitions smoothly from takeoff to hypersonic cruise. It's aerospace engineering at its most extreme. What will the State Route 72 be used for? Primarily, it's a reconnaissance and strike platform. But with this speed, it could be deployed anywhere in the world in minutes. Whether it's gathering intelligence, delivering a tactical strike, or simply deterring enemies with its presence, the State Route 72 gives the U.S. an unmatchable advantage. It's been rumored to be capable of deploying hypersonic weapons mid-flight, making it not just a fast plane, but a lethal one. What's even more fascinating is the potential for this technology to influence space access. Lockheed has hinted that propulsion systems being developed for the State Route 72 could be adapted for reusable space planes, revolutionizing low Earth orbit travel, satellite deployment, and possibly future space tourism. As of now, a demonstrator aircraft is said to be under development and could already be flying in classified test areas like Area 51. The goal? A full operational prototype by the late 2020s. If this timeline holds, the State Route 72 could enter service in the early 2030s, changing the global power balance forever. Let's talk design. While no official images have been released, concept art reveals a sleek, futuristic airframe with sharp edges, a flattened fuselage, and hidden air intakes to enhance stealth at high speeds. It's not just fast, it's invisible. The combination of hypersonic velocity and low radar signature makes it almost impossible to detect, let alone intercept. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The State Route 72 is unmanned. That's right, it doesn't need a pilot on board. This allows it to push the limits of speed, altitude, and maneuverability without risking human life. AI and autonomous systems are expected to handle navigation, target acquisition, and even evasive actions during hostile engagements. This isn't just the future of flight, it's the future of warfare. Let's also not ignore the geopolitical impact. As nations like China and Russia invest heavily in hypersonic missile technology, the U.S. is countering with the State Route 72, a platform that can identify and eliminate threats before they become real. It's a chess move at Mach 6, shifting the balance of power back to whoever can own the skies the fastest. But here's the twist. The State Route 72 isn't just about defense. Lockheed Martin's advances could redefine global transportation as we know it. Hypersonic tech might soon lead to civilian aircraft capable of ultra-fast intercontinental flights. Imagine boarding a hypersonic jet in Los Angeles and landing in Tokyo before your coffee gets cold. Of course, there are challenges. Hypersonic flight requires materials that can withstand extreme heat and pressure. Controlling an aircraft at Mach 6 isn't easy. And there's the issue of cost. Developing and operating hypersonic vehicles can run into billions. But Lockheed's experience, combined with DARPA's funding and interest from the U.S. military, makes this dream increasingly real. Some reports even suggest that elements of State Route 72 tech are being tested right now under black budget programs. The veil of secrecy surrounding it only adds to its mystique and fuels speculation that hypersonic capabilities may already be more advanced than we think. So what does the future hold? If the State Route 72 launches successfully, it will be the most advanced aircraft ever built, surpassing even the legendary Blackbird. It will render old defense systems obsolete, usher in a new era of global response capabilities, and forever change the meaning of speed in aviation. And we'll be here to cover every update, every test flight, every breakthrough, right here on the Next Gen World. If you're as fascinated by the future of technology, defense, and aerospace innovation as we are, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the world is ready for hypersonic flight? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the sky, because the future is flying faster than ever.